ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. We are taking up a new series, debilitated planets in different signs, their effects and remedies to it. Friends, there is a misconception that if a person has more of an exalted planet in his horoscope, then his horoscope will be strong and he will do well in his life. Whereas a person who has more of a debilitated planet, then that person has to face much of a problem in life. But if I ask you, would it be good if enemies are stronger than you, or would it be good if disease is stronger than your body, or would it be good if debt or loan is stronger than your savings? The obvious answer would be no. So just think, if 6th lord, which is a Dusthana lord, and a malefic lord which gives all the above things, if it is exalted or strong, then wouldn't you get the above results, where enemies will defeat you, disease will overpower you and debts will overburden you because lord of this house is exalted or strong in your chart. So we can simply come to a conclusion that Dusthana lord should be debilitated or weak, and lord of houses which are benefic for you like trine lord should be exalted or strong in your chart. In fact, debilitated lords of bad houses or malefic houses are blessing in disguise. We'll learn all this in a very simple and easy way when we'll move ahead, which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video, then please do comment on it, share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start this topic, astrology the easy way, debilitated planet in different houses, and we are starting with the next house, debilitated Mercury in second house. As you can see the Lagna chart here, the first house always remain where ascendant is written. The number written here are the Rashis or sign, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. As 11 number stand for Aquarius, 12 number stand for Pisces, 1 number for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and so on, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. As you can see here, Mercury is placed in the second house in 12 number sign, which is Pisces. Mercury is debilitated in Pisces or 12 number sign, and it is placed here in second house. Now the results of debilitated Mercury in second house would be a favorable debilitated Mercury in the second house of a horoscope can bless the native with a very good financial prosperity. A favorable debilitated Mercury in the second house of a horoscope can also render a very good interest and progress in the field of spiritualism. Some of these natives can be seen practicing as astrologer, numerologists, psychics, spiritual mediums, spiritual healers or tantrics, etc. A favorable debilitated Mercury in the second house of a horoscope can also make the native profits from wills, inheritance, gifts and other kinds of sudden gains and financial profits, and such natives are likely to be good throughout their lives financially. Whereas an unfavorable debilitated Mercury in the second house of a horoscope can cause problem relating to marriage or married life of a native, and accordingly they may have to undergo one or more than one broken marriages or divorces. An unfavorable placement of debilitated Mercury in second house can also trouble the native with unwanted expenses. An unfavorable debilitated Mercury in the second house of a horoscope can also give problems related to childbirth, and some natives under such influence may have to suffer delays or they may have to undergo prolonged medical treatment in order to give birth to a child. The remedies would be, if Mercury is favorable, then the native should wear an emerald gemstone. Otherwise, they should chant mantra for Mercury, which would be Om Bra Bri Bro Sa Buddhaya Nama. Also, they can wear a 4-mukhi Rudraksha. Also, friends, these remedies are generally nature. For specific remedies, I need to see the horoscope in totality, then only I can recommend any specific remedy. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911351351, 08130201201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।